So over here you can see that I am in a remote session, and let's say what I want to do now is I want to go ahead and transfer out a file in remote session. So if I were to actually go around over here, and you can see that I actually have some folders right here, like I have let's say for example these files right here. So let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and transfer them. So if I were to actually go ahead and click and drag right here just like this, you can see that I can transfer out the file by clicking and dragging. So this is the folder, let's say for example, which I want. Simply click and drag, and then you got that particular file being copied out right here just like this. So that is what you have over here. And then if I were to go around over here onto the file box, you can even go ahead and upload out the file from over here. So I can go ahead and choose the file, and then I can simply go around over here and choose the file that I want to upload. Then if I were to click on open right here just like this, I can go ahead and select out a particular file that I want, and it says file too large. So there is a file limit which is 25 megabytes right here. So let's just go around over here, choose out a particular file, open it out right here just like this, and then this particular file will be uploaded. So this is what you have, as you can see right here. So now I can go ahead right here, and then you can see the file right here in the file box that you can go ahead right here just like this and download it out. And then on the desktop, I can simply go ahead and download it out right here. So that is simply how you can actually go ahead and during a session, you can download out files as you wish using TeamViewer. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.